Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Yes, so my capsules just arrived. My capsules just arrived. You see that? I just received on this morning. I said, wow. Don't forget, I told you guys, whenever you want to unbox new things, always put on your gloves. Okay, very important. Whenever you want to upload new things, make sure say you wear your glove for your hand. Okay. Because of wetin dey waka now na make us dey do am, no be so we dey do am before. So my castle just arrived this morning, guys. You see that? It just arrived. They are all new. I just received it this money. This money. You see that? They are fresh and new. So I really love to dey take this product well because e dey helpful. I know they sell. I know they sell. You see am? This one na the 6 capsule for me. Okay, vegetables, berries and fruit. So you know say sometimes we go buy fruit for house, before we know it don't finish. Maybe we never go supermarket, the thing go come get a be when it don't finish for house. You never go supermarket, and not be even my house when it be say if the fruit never finish, who they talk to you so no go rest. Oh, this is the package I'm waiting for. Oh my god, I love this. Let's check it. This is the receipt. People, I know they sell. Which one be this? They even they put a what it be this? Okay, this one be not the follow am before. Now my first time to receive this one, Jonah. Now I will go check what it is. Man not open and may not come be say na money or money not come follow me share and see am. This one na package for inside. Becoming by Healthy Star for families. Okay, yeah, okay, maybe not because of the family or they put on. And this one are the receipts of these capsules. Is this affordable, guys? I know they say in case you want, you go still locate people when they sell for Facebook. You see, before I go show the children, oh, make I quickly show this one. You see, so how much I want pay, how much I take buy these things now, 301 euro. You they see the receipt, so see the amount for it, 301 euro. And I buy them on installment. That's why they always say they buy them on installment. Now I tell they buy them. You see, every month now I go pay 75 euro 37 cents. You see the money. So hope you guys can see it. You see that, guys? You can try it out, check it out. Live a healthy life. Is here. Look at the installment list here. They put on 37 cents. You see that? You see it? I just received it. Now let's go to the kids. So let's unbox this, guys. Let's unbox this. You see that? You see this? Oh my god, guys, you don't understand how my kids will be happy for this. This is, you see that? Oh my god, this is the fruit. It's very sweet for children, the chewables. You know, sometimes kids cannot swallow the capsule, so when I order it, I always order for the kids. It's very affordable. Okay, guys, if you want to order it, locate one of those people selling Juice Plus on Facebook. Okay, me, I just ordered this on Friday, and I got it on no, I ordered it on Thursday and I get it today, Saturday morning. You see that 4-pack for my kids, fruits and vegetables. You see that? I recommend this thing for you. No matter if I tell you money when I tell you buy this thing, you not go believe. Go and try it out, guys. You are going to look healthier. You see, you want be say you dey find, I know they advertise for them, just they tell you my experience, okay, because I know they sell. You want be say if you do small thing, you go tire, your waist don't they let you take they stand too much. Maybe you stand for kitchen before you cook finish, you don't tire. Or you want be say before you climb go up climb only small staircase, you don't they breathe. Go and try this product out. Okay, go and try it out. Go and try it out, guys. I am not selling it, I'm just telling you the fact. Go and try it out. Okay, I just received mine right now. You see the receipt is there, the castles for mama is there, and this is for the kids. And the most amazing thing when they inside be say if you buy this one when I buy, so you see this one when I hold, so let me just open it. Let me open it so you see how it look like, guys. Gonna be yummy to you. In fact, sometimes I dey take them with my kids. I will just swallow from their own. Look at how it look like. It just be like sweet when children they lick, and the other one are still different color. This one oregano. Now vegetables be this. My children know they like to eat the vegetable, but they force them because it's not sweet. But the fruits now it don't finish. See, I'm home. I like eating it. It will make your kids look healthier. Go and try it out, guys. Go and try it out. Yahoo! I got it. Some people say, Juice Plus too dey expensive. My sweetheart, life no get duplicate. If you know, so you know this fruits and vegetables, it's dey wetin we suppose dey eat for inside our system every day. Okay, if you know, so you no fit meet up, like make sure say e dey your house 24 hours every day. Go do am like me, because I know dey fit dey go supermarket every day. If I buy fruit go house, if it too last 3 to 4 days in a week, and I go always go once in a week, I go still dey buy for supermarket, but this very one na extra in case. Sometimes when I eat the one I buy from supermarket a day now, say I know, say yes, that one don reach for my body, I no go take these things. I will not give it to my kids. You understand? To fill the gap, that's why I order this. It's very good. And if you get mama for Africa when be say that they complain too much, order these capsules, go give them. Okay, very cheap. Wetin I tell like the company be say they will give you time, make you take for pay am 4 months. I remember the last time I ordered the complete, it was almost 600. Yeah, I paid it 4 months, 600. Yeah, I paid it 6 months. Okay, guys, go and buy it. I recommend Juice Plus for you. I recommend Juice Plus for you guys. This is the capsules. Just swallow with your water, you are good to go. If you be the person when they find how you want to gather yourself, come take carry belle, go for this. I recommend this for you. This very sick, so if you not to get money, say you no want put this one join, no problem. But you see these two, so no use and play. Go use and build yourself up. Go use and build yourself, or they take folic acid, they join and folio for Germany here. My sister, go dey buy your baby things, because you don't work for different peoples. Okay, now peoples I talk, I be peoples. Hey, you don't work for different people, so make you go try and out. I recommend it for you. Juice Plus now, I've been with Juice Plus now for the past, if I'm not mistaken, maybe is it not 3 years ago. I worked with this company before. I worked with them a year. I worked with them a year and I quit because the stress was too much for me. I got kids, I got other things to do, and different people calling me, so it was really too much. That was the reason why I quit the job. Okay, it's a nice company to work with if you want, but I'm no longer working with them. But this product, Agbawu, Agbawu, say I go the state center of supermarket, say see me see supermarket, maybe say if I just open door enter supermarket now, I go stop to dey use this product. And it's even stress free. I don't think I will even stop it. I don't think I will stop it because it's stress free, already made. Like, you don't need to go buy cloth, give tailor. You reach market, you buy already made. Now be this thing. You see all these berries. If you know the fruits when all these things contain, you won't miss it, guys. Even the white people are into it. They just take it like swallow and come on. Not be medicine when be say, not be when person they sick, they take and no. Just take and to wash your system to make you live healthier. Okay, guys. One love keep us together. I say make I quit tell now when no know about it. You see this one, so me I want swallow and so, but for me I not dey swallow because of anything. I dey always they take and one. Now they take, but normally na two they say make we dey take, but me I dey take one because now just to the add up, like support the fruit when I dey buy for house. Now me I dey take and for not be something else. You understand? But you when be say you want wash out your system, so make you can't maintain your belly, make you take carry your bonbon, your baby, make you make sure say you take two. I tell you say I work with them before, but I know since 2 years ago I quit the job. It was okay, it was nice, nothing bad really happened, but it was because of the stress. It was so stressful to me. That's why I quit. I recommend you to buy it. Use it for yourself. Juice Plus too dear, Juice Plus too dear. But when it be say some another thing fall out, money when we go spend will pass Juice Plus. Some people don't use this thing. They block operation when they supposed go do. They will just they take this one, take this one, take this one, take this one. Before you know, those things go cancel. I know they sell, not be say you go come inbox me say I want to get and no, go find them for Facebook or may you just find you want to buy. I'm not the say. I just dey talk my experience inside this product. Okay, I dey talk my experience inside this product, and I wan use this medium just still put am for my channel, make people wey never know am before go check am out, say make dem take go dey buy am. Na im make me dey do am, no be say I dey sell. No inbox me say you wan buy. No, I no dey sell. Okay guys, one love keep us together. Let me call my kids and enjoy the chewables. This is for mama. Our daddy no even send us. He saying they chop fruit every day for working place and everywhere, so he not send us. Now we dey chop am. The chewables for my kids. Now this one I open just now. Okay, we always take it one for this, one for this, for the kids a day. One for this, one for this. I know of a family, Nigeria family. Make I just talk and reach them. Now she, the time when I dey sell her, she go always dey buy am. She go put this one journal. She follow me buy and reach. If you just finish, go order another one. Till today, still dey buy am. I come say, wetin be the you really observe for inside? Say when you just check out my case, they are more fresh and beautiful like never before. I say, really? Before this woman go dey count 600, they buy this thing every 4 months. Now im be say you really see good thing inside. You understand? If you not be say one thing, maybe sometimes when it still finish, I never order this thing. Person not supposed to dey leave am. You understand? You need to dey take am. Even sometimes oyibo people dey put am for their handbag. They just, if anywhere they reach, they just swallow am because na fruits. Instead of you to chew, you just swallow. You understand? This is the fruits, guys. Let me test it before the kids come. All right. Okay. I did my bed this morning when they bring and come. Oh, people. Yeah, you see that? Let me pick up one. Now this one they like pass. My kids really love this, and I love the two. Sometimes I just pick up from their own and swallow because it contains the same thing, but you know children need to lick. Some of them no go fit swallow. Okay, you see that? So sweet, so sweet. Let me go and call my kids to come and check it out. Okay guys, go for it if you can, if you want. Okay, not be forced, and don't inbox me to get it because I don't sell it. I am just telling you about my experience with Juice Plus. One love keep us together. If you pay for waste, go and live a healthier life. Okay, that pay will vanish. Now for come so. One love, people. See you next time. But if you have any question, you can ask me, but not to order this product because I am not selling it. All right. See you guys later. Bye.